Hello and welcome back to my channel Science and Math with Jerold. Today we are starting a new chapter from standard 10th Geometry, the most difficult one that all the students find very confusing, that is trigonometry. But I will try to make this chapter as easy as possible. Before starting the chapter, before actually seeing the concepts and solving the exercise practice set of this chapter, I will show you the holy page of trigonometry. Here, as you can see, I have written some things that I consider as the holy page of trigonometry. Everything that will be there, everything that is there in trigonometry is covered in this. The first thing that we see in this chapter is the table, the trigonometric table, which half part of this chapter table we have already seen. So let us see. If you see, there are 6 ratios of trigonometry, as everyone knows: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. The 6 ratios are written here. But if you see, I have written only the first numbers, the first row in the table. How can you write all the 6 ratios values for all the 5 angles from this one ratio? All you need to remember is the one row itself. And from this, you can easily solve the whole table. Let us see. If you see, sine 0 is 0, 30 is half, 45 is 1 upon root 2, 60 is root 3 upon 2, and 90 is 1. These are the values of sine ratio from 0 to 90. It increases from 0 to 1. For cos, it decreases from 1 to 0. So for that, all we have to do is write this row backwards. So first we will write this 1 over here. Then root 3 upon 2. This will come as it is. Then I will write 1 upon 2, and then finally I will write this 0. This is how cos ratio is found from sine ratio. Next we have tan ratio. We know the formulas of sine and cos are opposite upon adjacent, opposite upon hypotenuse, and adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan is the numerator of sine upon numerator of cos, that is opposite upon, my mistake here, that is adjacent. So opposite upon adjacent, that is this value upon this value. This is my ratio of tan. So 0 divided by 1 will give me 0. Next, numerator upon numerator. So I will write 1 upon this numerator, that is root 3. 1 upon 1 will give me 1. We are considering only numerators. Root 3 upon 1. If you see, the denominators are the same. So root 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So I have root 3 upon 1, which is equal to root 3. And finally, 1 upon 0 cannot be determined. Denominator does not have 0. So there is no value for tan 90. That is how you find the ratios of tan theta. Next, we go to cot theta. Cot theta, as we know, is opposite of cos theta. You see here, sine is 1 upon cosec. Cos is 1 upon sec, and tan is 1 upon cot. So cot will be opposite of tan. So if I have 0 here, opposite of 0 is not determined. Then 1 upon root 3 inverted, I will get root 3. 1 inverted, again I will have 1 itself. Root 3 when inverted, I will get 1 upon root 3. And then this when inverted, I will get 0. If you see, tan is written in this form and cot is written in this form. Just like we did for sine and cos, similarly we did for tan and cot. That was cot. Now we go to sec theta. Sec theta is opposite of cos theta. So we have to write inverted forms of cos theta. So 1 inverted will give me 1 itself. Then I will write root 3 upon 2, which will be inverted, will give me 2 upon root 3. Next, I get 1 upon root 2 inverted will give me root 2. Again, here 1 upon 2 will inverted will give me 2. And finally, 0 inverted gives me not determined. And then finally, cosec opposite of sine theta. Always write the inverted. 0 inverted will give me not determined. 1 upon 2 will give me 2, 1 upon root 2 will give me root 2, root 3 upon 2 will give me 2 upon root 3, and then 1 inverted will give me 1. Again, if you see, this and this are the opposite. So 1 ratio can give all the 6 ratio. This is what we will be seeing in this exercise with the help of identities. The first practice set will be solved based on what we saw. These ratios I explained to you all. These ratios are very simple. This we have seen in the previous standard, that is 9th standard, and this is the new thing introduced. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and 1 tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. These are very important identities that you need to know till the end of when you are studying trigonometry. This is the first thing and the final thing that you should not forget to in trigonometry, and this will help you all to solve the practice set 6.1 of this lesson. We will solve the practice set in the next video. 6.2 is omitted from your portion for SSC, so we will not be solving 6.2. We will only be solving 6.1. That will be solving in 2 to 3 parts, as it is a lengthy exercise. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to ask you all to share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such educational videos. Every Sunday morning I upload one mathematical trick where I show you all how to do calculation in faster methods. Some Vedic maths tricks are being shown to you all in those videos. Thank you and stay tuned to my channel.